If you're so busy running your business that you don't even have time to think about automation, this video is exactly what you need. Hi, I'm Angie Dobransky, your partner for Radical Success. And today I want to talk to you about something that can change the way you run your business forever: automation. But before you roll your eyes and think, I don't have time to figure that out, let's talk about why you actually need to. Many business owners I coach are too busy running their businesses to even think about automating them. And that's exactly the problem. You're so busy doing that you don't have time to improve how you do it. But here's the thing. Automation isn't about replacing you. It's about freeing you to focus on what matters most. It's about giving you back your time, reducing mistakes, and making your business scalable without hiring an entire team. So let's get real for a second. Studies show small businesses save over 10 hours a week on average by automating repetitive tasks. That's more than a full workday back in your schedule. Think about what you could do with that time. Serve more clients, rest, strategize, grow. In my business, automation is essential. I use Zapier to make my systems talk to each other automatically, Grammarly to make sure my writing is polished and correct, ChatGPT and GenSpark to help me brainstorm, write, and create quickly. These tools save me countless hours every week. But I also see this all the time with my clients. They're afraid of these tools. They think they're too complicated. They don't know where to start, or they pay for them and barely use them. Sound familiar? Another mistake I see is underusing these tools. For example, they give ChatGPT vague one-liner instructions and expect magic, or they use Zapier for one tiny task without realizing it could automate dozens of their workflows. Here's the truth. You don't have to do everything at once. You just have to start, and you need to choose the right tools for your business. So, how do you do that? Here's what I recommend looking for in any automation tool. First, ease of use. If it's too complicated, you won't use it. Next, cost. Don't overpay for features you don't need. Many have free or low-cost plans. Reliability. You want solid support and regular updates. Multi-use potential. A tool that does several things well reduces clutter and costs. And integrations. This is where the magic happens, making all of your tools work together. So now let's talk about where to start, because automation isn't just one thing, it's a series of small wins in different parts of your business. Here are some categories of tools to consider when you think about automation. First, communication and email automation. Save time and follow-ups nurturing leads. And examples of this are MailChimp, ConvertKit, or ActiveCampaigns. Number 2, task and project management. Helps you to keep your work organized and accountable. Examples of this are Asana, Trello, ClickUp. Number 3, marketing and social media scheduling. Maintain a consistent online presence without ever manual posting. Examples would be Buffer, Hootsuite, Later. A CRM, a customer relationship manager, where you can track leads, sales, and client interactions. Examples include HubSpot, Zoho CRM, and Pipedrive. Document creation and editing. Polish your writing and collaborate easily. Examples include Grammarly, Google Docs, Microsoft 365. Number 6, AI content generation. Draft ideas, outlines, marketing copy in minutes. And examples include ChatGPT, Jasper, and GenSpark. Integration and workflow automation. Make sure your tools work together automatically, and examples of this include Zapier and Make. Number 8, financing and invoicing. Send invoices, track payments, manage expenses. Use things like QuickBooks, FreshBooks, or Wave. Number 9, scheduling and booking. Eliminate back and forth emails. Use Calendly, Acuity, or You Can Book Me. Number 10, team communication and collaboration. Keep everyone connected in the loop, and examples include Slack or Microsoft Teams. Number 11, e-commerce and payment automation. Simplify selling and payment collection. Examples include Shopify, Stripe, and Square. And here's my advice. You don't need to automate all of this at once. Just pick one area that feels the most painful or time-consuming. Research a couple of the tools. Start with a free plan or trial. Get comfortable with the basics, and then learn how to integrate and expand. Because automation is a skill you build over time, and the right tools won't replace you. They'll free you to focus on what truly matters in your business and your life. If you're feeling stuck and want personalized guidance on choosing or setting up automation in your business, I'd love to help. Just schedule a free call at my website, radstrategic.com. I'll put a link below as well. Thank you so much for watching. Now go and automate something and get your time back. I'm Angie Dobransky, your partner for Radical Success.